Now this one's powerful. This is the 18-volt premium high torque wrench from Dewalt. Now don't confuse this new wrench with the DCF961, which is Dewalt's high torque wrench. Both have half-inch anvils, but the new premium wrench has up to 1,626 Newton meters of fastening torque and an eye-watering 2,372 Newton meters of nut-busting torque. Side by side with a big coach screw into hardwood, the extra ugga-duggas of the premium wrench gave it 20% faster driving time. But the most interesting, unique feature with this wrench is after 4 seconds of impacting while loosening, it actually ratchets up the power to shake free a stuck fastener. And when it does ratchet up, you've really got to be holding onto the tool or it'll shake free. Now on the base of the handle, they've got a button there to cycle through the 4 modes. 3 of those are speed modes, but all 4 modes have a different max torque. That 4th mode's a precision mode. When fastening, it spins at 1,200 RPM until it detects that it's just nipped up or it's detected some impacting, at which point it actually pauses for 3/4 of a second to give you a chance to stop over tightening. But after that 3/4 second pause, it goes full send. When you're loosening in precision mode, it'll spin and impact as per normal until it detects the fasteners free, at which point it'll stop impacting and slow the speed so you won't drop your fastener, which is great for working at height. Other features include the variable speed trigger and that work light, which you can toggle on and off with the other button there at the base of the handle. You got rubber overmolds everywhere you touch the tool for good grip, control, as well as absorbing a little bit of that vibration when she's at full send. We gave it a run at our local truck mechanic today. We're all pretty impressed with it. It's quite compact for the power it outputs. The new DCF961 Premium Impact Wrench is available now in the Dewalt aisle at your local Cindy Tools store, and you can head online to cindytools.com.au for the full specs in this tool. And if you have any questions, you can hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Cindy Tools TV. That's a lot of ugga-duggas.